thanks for watching this video. In this gig, I'll help your account grow in a genuine and organic way. The strategy I use is one of the most effective on Instagram. I find your target audience and build connections with them, making them aware that you or your business exists. I'll focus on the tasks that increase your engagement and help you connect with the right audiences. I'll work on growing your account organically and finding your potential leads so you can focus on what's really important in running your business. This gig is perfect if you want to boost your engagement and exposure, or if you're looking to get more leads and potential sales. Recently, I've helped clients reach over 20 million people, earn over 56 million impressions, and gain over 150,000 followers. I've been a seller on Fiverr for over 5 years and have more than 10 years of experience in social media. I've worked with businesses all over the world, and many are repeat customers who have stayed with me for the last 3 years. If you're interested, go ahead and order now